left, right. Watch the whole video, right? Don't show me. Yeah, but I was.
So we at brunch. My birthday.
Happy birthday.
TT brought me this. It's not a cake. It's a box.
Oh gosh. She can read it to you.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you so much. You have helped me get through some really tough times without even knowing you. You did an amazing job. With us, you should be proud. When I think a strong woman, I think of who you are. I want to be.
Oh yeah.
Rather, I figure all out. You're my.
When I figure it all out, because it burned. When I figure it all out, you are my blueprint of who I would want to be.
Aww.
Love you, daughter. Aww.
Okay, then. Oh, but before you open that represents like family, and it would just make you feel like you're really close to like Darian. So just
Orange? Who got orange? Mama?
W gift. Happy birthday.
That's nice. I can pour for you. Oh, good.
Okay, to have DDG gifting her mom a G-WAGON on her birthday. So that is the car they had to gift her, surprise her. She cried like wow. So love you guys, just stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe. More is coming and we're about to know what gifts did the boys give to their special mom.